Hi ladies, okay, on this video here I will be showing you all how I install clip-in extensions on my client who has fine hair. So we're first going to start off with the clip-in extensions that have the 3 clips attached. We're going to start off at the nape. As you can see, I did part the hair from ear to ear where the top of the ear starts, if that makes sense, and I am teasing 3 pieces towards the back so that way I can create a cushion for the clips that are going to go in place. As you can see, I am using the middle clip first. Using the middle clip first takes tension off the side clips, if that makes sense. When it comes to installing clip-ins on fine hair, some ladies may have the issue of the clips slipping, but it's really okay. You can always open the clips and you can always clip it back onto the teased area. Since everything is going to be repetitious from here on out, I'm going to let you all watch the rest of the video and fast forward.